Commodity. Today we're going to be looking at some of the top NFT collections by market cap. And we're going to look at a Mutant Ape that sold for a lot of money. And then finally we're going to be looking at the Meebits collection in depth. So I just want to take a minute to go over the charts here. This is from OpenSea. CryptoPunk's still at number 1. Amazing, the volume, 459,000 ETH. It's just insane. Art Blocks curated, Bored Ape Yacht Club again. Rarible's doing well. Decentraland is kicking ass. CryptoKitties, of course, in the top 6. Meebits, which we're going to look at today. The Mutant Ape Yacht Club, which we covered yesterday, and we're going to cover a little bit again today. And So Rare, Super Rare, and 0 Force are the top 11 there on OpenSea. If we go look at Rarible, we find a lot of the same thing, but the Mutant Ape Yacht Club, and they denominate their stuff in the last 7 days in dollars. So we're looking at $99 million worth of mutant apes in the last 7 days. These things only came out a day or so ago, and it's just ridiculous. People are buying from the NFTs from the Mutant Ape Chemistry Club for millions of dollars. It's ridiculous. There's only 3 of them. Art Blocks still in there. Cool Cats, Creature World, Meebits, the Bored Ape Kennel Club, if you need a doggy companion for your ape or mutant ape. 0 Force there. Pudgy Penguins, that's a newer one. World of Women. Al Cabones. Killas, Art Blocks, and Acclimated Moon Cats. But since we're still a little bit on the apes, let's talk about that. Number 4849, the Mega Demon Ape. 1 of 1. Just sold yesterday from Niftyologist to some other wallet for 350 ETH. Just absolutely ridiculous. I like some of these offers here. 666 USDC. Good offer. But it's not going to cut it. It's 350. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the Meebits. If you haven't seen Meebits before, they're 3D characters from the same people, Larva Labs, who made CryptoPunks. So I think right now Meebits is good to get into because they're kind of not seeing all the attention as much as CryptoPunks and Bored Apes right now. So Meebits may be a little bit underpriced in my opinion, just because people aren't looking at them enough. And you're probably not going to be able to snag one of these NFTs right here. These are the highest last sale, but a lot of let's see, the double pig face he's got, let's click on him real quick. Type is pig, but it doesn't say the rare trait of the double face. I don't know. I mean, it has a leather jacket and a CGA shirt. Those are pretty rare. Let's see the sale. Yep, 2 months ago for 1,000 ETH. So, you know, this pig hasn't moved in 2 months. I don't know if it's just getting hodled or it's just not getting the offers. It looks like it's just not getting the offers. You know, NFTs, they don't always just go up. It could go down in price. If somebody were to take one of those lower offers, then you would see it go down. But why would somebody do that? I don't know. You know, if you have, it all depends on who bought it and why they bought it. That's the great thing about these NFTs. I believe this one's the inside out. Needed it. Dissected, that's what it's called. Pretty cool. I think this is the only dissected one. Let's give it a favorite. And we have some aliens. It's like we got some offers in USDC, but they're selling in ETH. 469, 420, 400. You know, these are easily 2s, 300s of ETH. Type is visitor. Skeleton type is all camoed out, ready for war. Oh yeah, skeleton with a skull tee. Oh, this is interesting. Robot. Didn't realize there were robot Meebits. Very cool. It's got offers, but let's look at the trading history. 198. People are buying these NFTs. How long ago was it? 5 hours ago. Okay. Still a chance to get in for good prices. Maybe not on these super rare Meebits, but you know, some floor price bargain basement Meebits. That's the way to go. Let's take a look at them. Price low to high. These are by bid, I think. The sorting is kind of weird on OpenSea. It's all good though. Yeah, floor price 8.45. So how much is that? ETH. What was it? 8.45. That's just going to give me the $27,000. So you can have a new car, or you can buy yourself a floor price Meebit, or you know, throw an offer out there see what happens. They don't always have to sell for the floor price. I mean, you're probably not going to get it. There's a lot of people doing it, but these are quality Meebits down here. Look at this one. This one's kind of cool. I like his hair. He's got a little mustache. Interesting choice of outfit. Camo pants with a suit jacket. That's got to count for something. Minimum bid is almost $40,000. Let's see, what other interesting Meebits can we find here at the bottom? Oh, I like this one. Female Meebit. Aviator glasses, that's why I like it. Tube top shirt. Doesn't show the gender of the Meebit in here, but maybe that's on purpose. Let's look at the sale of this Meebit. 4 months ago for almost 1.6 ETH, Price 4 months ago is probably a lot lower than what it would be today. So if we're looking at the floor price, it's more than tripled. Alright guys, anything else you want to see, please let me know in the comments section. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'm on YouTube, Reddit, Twitter, Instagram, email, Rarible, Super Rare, and I got my wallet address listed. Send me your NFTs if you like. Hoping to get some ETH into my account pretty soon. I bought some on Coinbase. I'm going to transfer it to my wallet as soon as it clears the bank. So we're going to be looking to maybe buy or mint some NFTs coming up here pretty soon in a video, and we'll be sharing that with you guys. So thank you, and I'll talk to you again soon.